Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time guys, everyone. Namiss ko kayo, Team Abroad and Team Pinas. Hello sa inyong lahat. Good morning everyone, and good day all out to the whole universe. Alright, so there. By the way guys, meron akong ikukwento sa inyo. Share ko lang naman po sa inyo guys, at least para naman po sa awareness na rin to sa lahat ng mga YouTuber or mga vlogger guys. So lately, I received an email from YouTube channel about my channel. So there. So naka-receive ako ng email coming from them na nawalan ako ng ads sa akin YouTube channel, which is mayroon akong nagawang pagkakamali. So nag-upload ako ng mga videos or reuse videos which is against their policy. So maging maingat na lang tayo guys, kasi I know we are really working hard to earn more subscribers, right? So maging maingat na lang tayo there. So I applied for an appeal, but I received a result coming from them. So unfortunately hindi nag-grant yung aking appeal. So, but it's okay. I know my mistake. So, at least moving forward, I will not do that again to re-upload or to reuse some other videos, guys. So, for now, starting today, actually, it's more, my blog and my videos is more on personal blog, but I think mag-focus na lang po ako sa aking personal vlog today. Starting today, and of course kung mayroon akong pupunta mga event, so syempre kasama siya sa mga vlogging ko, of course, and there. So more on vlogging, more personal vlogging, daily routine. So now hindi kayo magsawa sa aking panonood sa aking personal vlog. So I think it's more on like keeping up with the Kardashian. So ang gagawin ko and title naman na aking magiging vlog is like keeping up with Gerald Arisga vlog, para updated kayo guys. So there, at least for now, I know my mistake na, so at least aywas na tayo. So lesson learned na sa akin yun, na huwag ko na uulitin. Nakakalungkot pero what to do. So we have they have their own policy na kailangan nating sundin there. So for now, moving forward, this coming few days, so I'm so excited kasi I will be traveling with my friend to Kazakhstan, and it's my first time to travel there. So I expected more videos, more vlog para sa akin. So sana wag kayong magsawa sa panonood ng aking vlog. So for now, yeah, so more shorts videos and personal vlog for me. So at least kahit paano itong YouTube channel na to, ito yung magiging kumbaga ito yung mga memories ko. Dito ko ilalagay lahat ng mga memories ko sa YouTube channel na to. So at least pagdating na panahon na matanda na ako, so pwede ako magtingin, mag-look back sa aking mga pinagagawa there. So yeah, so maging maingat tayo guys. I know napaka-important sa atin ng YouTube channel. So pinaghirapan natin to earn more subscriber, makipag-engage all over the world. So kailangan natin maging maingat para at least hindi mawala yung ating channel. Alright? So there. So ayun lang siya guys. Share ko lang aking feelings. So medyo sad, and it's okay. Alam ko naman yung mistake ko. So huwag na natin ulitin ulit. Alright, so maging maingat tayo guys ulit. So expect it for this coming videos guys. So there. Thank you so much everyone, and see you around. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye everyone.